Sean from Old Yankee Farm here, and this video is a compilation of some of our interesting animals that we have here on the farm. I hope you enjoy it. This is a few weeks later. I just put out another round bale, and I'm going to untie John, and you can see what this bi-weekly occurrence. Watch out, little sheep. Maybe he'll just eat it then. Yeah, you're the big man, huh? You're the big man. Huh? Yeah, I know. There he goes again. Nope. Not yet. He'll drive that right into the fence or something.
So I'm going to introduce you to my grumpy rooster called Chucky. You ever seen that little girl on Facebook who her mom's asking her like who hit her, and she says the F word, Chucky? That's where he gets his name, because he is just a pill. So I tolerate him because it's a rare breed. They're hard to find. I'm the only one around that I know that has them. So I don't have the option of just culling him. So I have to put up with him. So let me show you how rotten he is. So he'll get me. I don't normally tease him like this. I'm just trying to show you that he is a jerk. Huh, Chucky? But, so what we teach our birds is the broom is my friend. See the immediate attitude adjustment? I walk around with this it's just a little whisk broom. And I teach my roosters that when I come into the pen, he needs to go inside. Now if I go inside, he has to come outside. The whole time that I'm standing out here, he's not allowed to come out here. So I'll walk out. And I don't actually whack him with the broom, but I've swished him with the broom a few times. See if he comes back out. Guarantee you he's checking to see if I have the broom. Come on, Chucky. So here he comes. He's just looking at my feet, assessing me. He sees I don't have that broom. So he's right back to his crabapple self. Yeah. Broom. Immediately backs up. I open the door. In we go. Inside. Oh, he's going to argue with me today. In. That's it. Just takes a couple swishes. They learn.
Hey!
Make sure you go to that subscribe button and click it.